Namaste yogis, welcome back to our channel Indian Yoga with Krishna. I'm Vibhu Krishna. So guys, as you know, we are learning this yoga series. Today is our 25th day of 30 days yoga series. Or nowadays we are doing kind of the advanced yoga poses. Today we are also going to learn something very advanced, especially for the body balancing yoga poses. So if you're new here, you haven't watched any of this video, then please subscribe the channel first and then click the the bell icon so you'll get more video updates. And please watch any of videos like day 1 to day 5 before you start this yoga asanas. Do the stretching and Surya Namaskar part and then come to this yoga asanas. Don't do directly this yoga asanas. Before that we have to get ready our body for the yoga poses. So that and please watch the other videos also, because there is already 24th day. We already learned this yoga series. Today is 25th, so you might be think, okay, now it's already 25th day and what can I do now? So nothing to worry about, just start from tomorrow like day 1 and then in no time you will be here. So just go there. And second thing, we finish this yoga poses with the Om chanting and Shavasana, and then we finish all this yoga series. So let's learn some yoga pose. So guys, I hope right now you are on yoga mat. So first we are learning that's called Tadasana, or you can say standing mountain pose. So for in this one especially for the child who's around teenage, like 15 to 20 years old, for them it's very beneficial because it's increase their height. So how to do this one? First let's see this one just only once, and then I'll teach you exactly step by step with breathing. First here and breathe out. Now you got some idea how to do it. This looks very easy, and actually it's very good and very easy to do. So first you cross your fingers like this one, not them, and hold on your heads like this one, and while breathing, while you're lifting your toes, your body on your toes, just stretch your body and make your palms upside like this one, sky facing, and then stretch your body upside. So see, and then hold for that at least 10 seconds, and then while slowly breathe out and comes down. It's like that. 1. Full stretch upside. Come on your toes. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. And slowly breathe out. Good. Let's do one more time. Put here. And 1 while breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly breathe out. So this is how we do Tadasana, or standing mountain pose. So do it at least for 10 times. I just did 2 times, but you have to do at least 10 times. It's not that much hard or not consume too much time. So you can just hold your position at least 3 breaths total in 10 times. So you can do maybe in one, like you don't have to repeat 10 times, but you have to at least do 3 minutes. So it's like that. If you're doing one time, you hold your position for 1 minute, then you have to only do like 3 times. You hold it like 30 seconds, then you have to do at least 6 times. So it's like that. So measure your time and do it at least 3 minutes. Okay. Now the next one, that's called Tirik Tadasana, or swaying palm tree. This one just kind of the same, benefit also the same, but there is some little bit different. It's also very good for your side belly fat remove, especially from your your waist side area. So in this one, very bit wide open our legs like this one, not much, not like this one, or not too close, just a little bit wide like this one. And then same while breathing, left, and then go side. It's like this, like a palm tree, and hold this here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. And while breathing, and breathe out. This is one. I'll do now right side. Breathe in, and now left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And breathe out. This one, do it at least 5 times each side. 5 times right side, 5 times left side. And hold this position at least for 10-15 seconds minimum. And one more thing, there is something that you have to keep in mind. When you go inside, don't do like this one. Okay, keep your hands straight, and if you can't keep your balance, you know, while you're lifting on your toes, you can't keep your balance like this one. That's okay. Just, you know, in starting, just a little bit wide and just go like this one. You don't have to lift on your toes if you can't. And if you already you can lift, then it's very good. So no issue with that. But if you can't, then just, you know, just stand there and then lift it side by side. Okay. Now the next one. Next one called tree pose or Vrikshasana. So in this one, we learn some body balance and some focus, the full body balancing, focus, concentration, all we learn in this yoga. So how we do this one? Is it first, we just lift our legs and put just near as close as our groin area, but don't put on your knees like this one. Okay, this is wrong. Just put as close as you can put your body, and then both hands and look straight. Make any point, mark any point in front of you on wall or anywhere, and just look at there. Okay, be focused. Don't lose your focus. Hold this position as long as you can. Here is a breathe normal, so you can hold maybe 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. It's up to you where you got the balance, how long you can hold your position. Okay, and because this is a breathe normal. Okay, now let's do the left side. Just keep in mind, hold your balance, hold your focus, don't lose your concentration. Okay, and then slowly breathe out. So this is the tree pose or Vrikshasana. And now the next one, that's called the Dhruvasana, Bhairathasana. It's a kind of also like kind of tree pose, but this one is used more, you know, this need more focus, because in this particular, in this one are both like, you know, the four are, you know, legs and hands. That every you know, our hands and legs, they are in a different position, so you have to be more focused to maintain that balance. It's like that. The same first, just like this one, and then one hand is here, one hand is here. So you can see, like, you know, both my hands, the hands and legs are the different position. Okay, so I have to be focused. It's like that. It's like a Buddhist meditation technique. So here you put this hand around your you know, navel area, and then stand like this one. Maybe it's up to you. Breathe normal, so you can just, you know, hold as long as you can hold. But keep in mind, hold your both sides at the equal time. Okay. Now let's do with the left side. Breathe normal, be focused, mark your point in the front of your eyes and just look at that particular point, and then slowly breathe out. So now these two we did for the body balance, and now the next one, that's called Saundaryasana, or you can say standing west circle pose. So in this one, this is especially for, you know, your face, your hair, and your side belly fat. If you can, you can, you know, start doing this one, you will lose so much, you know, weight in very short time. So first in this one, just wide your legs like this one, and then first slowly while breathing, lift your hands, raise them, and, you know, cross your fingers like this one, knock them, lock them, and then slowly while breathe out, comes to the down, and middle till your middle is a breathe out, and from your middle is a breathe in. I'll show you how we do it. First breathe in. Now I'm doing from the right side. So first I turn right side, and while breathe out till here, from here is breathe in. Okay, and look at your fingers here, this portion. When you're making this one, look at this portion, and sometimes you feel like giddiness, and then, you know, look at the front side. Otherwise, try to look at there. Okay, so I'll show you the both ways. Breathe out. From here, breathe in. Now I'm looking front. Breathe out. Breathe in. But keep in mind, it has to be pressure here on the side also. Okay, so when you're going like this one, this one, now this side of my, this side of area getting so much potential here and going down, and while lifting from this side should be getting the attention. Okay, now the left side. First the left side. From here, breathe in front, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in. Okay, now we do Sundaryasana or standing west circle pose. So this is all about today's yoga class. Now we do some pranayams, and then after we finish with the Om chanting and Shavasana. So let's do some pranayam. Or if you have you are your breathe is not like calm, it's very high breathe, then just sit down and breathe your normal, calm down your breathe, settle it, and then we do some pranayams and Om chanting and Shavasana. So let's begin. This Anulom Vilom, and then we do some other maybe Om or Brahmari or something. So now let's do the Anulom Vilom first. So you know how to do the Anulom Vilom actually already, okay? And if you don't know, then please, I've made so many videos. Or if you're doing watch some other videos like first to 7 days. There is in this you will find this every pranayams in the maybe single. So you'll learn from there, okay? So let's start with the Anulom Vilom or alternate nostril breathing pose. Still, I'll tell you what I'm doing here, so you'll understand if you are new here then. So first, close your left nostril and breathe in from the right nostril. And hold for 3-4 seconds, and then slowly breathe out from the left nostril. Close your right and breathe out from the left. Again, breathe in from the left. You just breathe out from left. Now again, breathe in from the left only, okay? And then close your left and breathe out from the right side. Again, breathe in from the right only. And breathe out from left. Keep doing it. Okay, now don't open your eyes. Now we do the Brahmari. So in Brahmari, you know how to do it. If you don't know, then you can see this one and then start doing it. So first you put your these middle fingers on your eyes. One, the index finger is upper side of your eyelashes, and then one, the small finger, the little finger is just around your nose, and with thumbs you close your ear and make a sound while breathe in, and then while breathe out make a sound, humming sound. Okay, let's do it 3-4 times. Okay, and keep your hands just like this one. Okay, don't be like this one, otherwise it will change your position from your eyes and your nose and your ear. So keep your hands like this one only. Okay, now the Anulom Vilom. Okay, for in this one, put your hands on your knees and just with right hand. Actually, we'll take Anulom Vilom. Okay, now we're gonna do Om, the last one, and then after the Shavasana, and then we finish. So you know how to do the Om, okay? But still, I'll tell you, your breathe 65% is your O, and last 35% of your breathe is may sound. Okay, let's do it at least 7 to 10 times, but I'm gonna do 4 to 5 times only. Okay, let's breathe in. Do it according to your breathe capacity. Okay, if you have 10 seconds breathe capacity, then do it at least 6 minutes O and last 4 minutes So I'm doing according to my breathing capacity, so you do according to yours. Okay. One more time. Okay, don't open your eyes and go to the Shavasana, the corpse pose. Okay? Just relax, just lay down on yoga mat freely, no tension, any body part, just relax your every body part, okay? Just drop your shoulder, loose your back muscles, thighs, stomach, hands, fingers, knees, elbows, everything just relax. No tension, any body parts. Now join your hands, rub them, make them warm. Gently on eyes, forehead, cheeks, and the last one is throat. And let's do one more time. Don't open your eyes, stay here. Okay, now you can slowly open your eyes. Don't get up straight away, okay? Just turn around this side. Sleep here or maybe stay here for 5 to 10 seconds. Relax your body. And that while taking support from your right hand. There. And the last stretching part. First, breathing. Go to the right knee side. Breathing. And left knee side. Breathing. And the front side. Okay guys, that's all about today's yoga asanas. I hope you like it, and if you like it then please comment in comment section how are you feeling right now after finishing this today's yoga class. And I must think that you feeling very good because of this yoga balancing and all that thing. And if you can't get the exact balance or focus, and no to worry, you just keep practicing it, and in some days you will be able to stand just like I'm doing in these videos. So just do that, and please do share this video. Someone might need this kind of yoga for the body balancing and all the weight loss or everything. So just share this video, like this video, and please, if you're new or maybe you're already following me but yet to subscribe, then please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so you will get more video updates. So that's all about today's yoga poses. Tomorrow we're going to learn something new, something very exciting. So be with me and keep practicing yoga poses. See you in tomorrow class. Till then, stay safe. Thank you so much. Namaste.